Look at your life honestly. How many times have you backed down from something difficult? How many goals have you abandoned the moment they became uncomfortable? How many mornings have you woken up promising yourself change, only to repeat the same patterns again? You think you're strong because you avoid situations that expose your weakness. Nietzsche understood people like you. He spent his life watching men who talked about discipline but collapsed under pressure. Men who spoke of growth but avoided every opportunity to grow. Men who worship comfort and then wonder why their life never changes. He learned one thing: you are not unbreakable because you avoid pain. You are unbreakable only when pain stops controlling you. And that's why you're here, because deep down, you're capable of more. You know comfort has softened you. Fear has shaped your decisions. You know you've been living far below your potential, and you're tired of pretending otherwise. Let's delve into 7 lessons from Nietzsche, designed to strip away every excuse you've been using to stay weak. Strength is not something you wait for. Strength is something you build. And by the end of this video, if you're honest with yourself, you'll understand exactly what has been stopping you, and exactly what you must do to become unbreakable. Because becoming unbreakable is the highest form of human freedom. 1. Comfort is killing your strength. Nietzsche believed comfort destroys people faster than suffering ever will. He said human beings grow through friction, through pressure, obstacles, strain, and suffering. Comfort, on the other hand, makes you dependent on softness. It convinces you that difficulty is unnatural, when difficulty is the very thing that builds power. Every difficult thing you avoid, every hard decision you postpone, every uncomfortable truth you hide from, is a muscle you refuse to develop. Any strength you admire in someone else was built in moments that would have broken a weaker version of them. If you want to rise, don't ask for an easier life. Ask for a stronger back. Because comfort doesn't protect you, it drains you. Strength grows where comfort dies. If you want to be strong, stop chasing ease. Stop worshipping pleasure. Stop running from discomfort. Strength does not grow in safety. Strength grows in heat, pressure, and struggle. The more comfort controls you, the less control you have over your life. 2. Your greatest enemy is the story you tell yourself. Nietzsche watched people imprison themselves with their own minds, not because of reality, but because of the narrative they created about themselves. I'm not good enough. I always fail. I'm shy. I'm broken. I wasn't born confident. These stories aren't reflections. They're excuses. They are self-poisoning. Nietzsche believed identity is self-created. Weak people use their story to stay the same. Strong people use their story to rebuild themselves. Every lie you tell yourself becomes a chain. Every truth you avoid becomes a limit. If you want to become unbreakable, stop protecting the version of yourself that keeps you powerless, rewrite the story, or remain controlled by it. 3. Strength requires the courage to stand alone. Most people need approval more than they need truth. They need validation more than they need progress. They need the crowd more than they need their own judgment. This dependence is weakness. The moment you require others to support your decisions stop belonging to you. Nietzsche believed standing alone is the foundation of strength, not isolation, independence. Standing alone means you are not controlled by opinion. You don't collapse under pressure. You don't need applause to move forward. You don't fear disapproval. You don't bend to become like everyone else. People fear solitude. Nietzsche valued it, because solitude separates the strong from the obedient. If you can't walk alone, you will never walk with power. The crowd will always demand conformity. But you were not built for obedience. You were built for growth. 4. What you avoid controls you. What you face transforms you. Every fear you refuse to confront gains control over you. Every truth you postpone grows stronger in the dark. Every responsibility you delay tightens its grip. Avoidance breeds fragility. Confrontation breeds strength. People want courage without facing fear, power without pressure, growth without discomfort. Nietzsche laughed at this contradiction. If you want to become unbreakable, stop running. Turn toward the thing that scares you. Destroy the weakness that feeds on your avoidance. Whatever you refuse to face will own you. Every avoidance is a thief of growth, confidence, and freedom. But the moment you walk toward the thing you fear, you reclaim the power it stole. 5. You cannot rise while surrounded by people committed to staying weak. Nietzsche saw how environment suffocates potential long before failure ever does. Weak people drain you. They slow your pace. They question your ambition. They talk you out of improvement because your improvement exposes their stagnation. Mediocrity is contagious, not because it is powerful, but because it is familiar. If you want to rise, leave the environment where weakness is normal and strength is mocked. You cannot grow in a circle that refuses to grow. You cannot level up around people who fear leveling up. You cannot become unbreakable while living among those who shatter under the slightest pressure. Cut the rope, or be pulled back down with them. 6. Suffering is not punishment. It is the path. Nietzsche believed suffering is not a curse. It's the curriculum of life. You cannot grow without pain. You cannot transform without discomfort. You cannot discover your strength until the world tests it. But Nietzsche didn't glorify suffering. He studied it. He realized suffering becomes destructive only when it has no meaning. Pain without purpose breaks people. Pain with purpose builds them. A person with a why can survive almost any how. Your mission gives meaning to your suffering. Your higher goal absorbs the pain and turns it into power. If you attach your suffering to the person you want to become, the pain becomes fuel instead of fire. Suffering is not the enemy. Meaninglessness is. 7. You must create yourself, not wait for yourself. Most people wait for identity to appear. They wait for clarity. They wait for certainty. They wait for motivation. They wait to feel ready. Nietzsche believed this was the greatest mistake. He said the self is not something you find. It is something you forge. You become who you repeatedly choose to be, through your discipline, through your habits, through the standards you accept, through the struggles you embrace, through the pain you survive, through the identity you sculpt. Weak people wait, strong people build. Nietzsche believed the highest form of power is self-creation. To be unbreakable, you must stop looking and start shaping. You must become the sculptor and the stone. Nietzsche didn't write to comfort you. He wrote to awaken you. He believed human beings are not born strong. They become strong through challenge, through truth, through pain, through self-honesty. He believed you have two choices: to live as a victim of your fears, your stories, and your surroundings, or to carve yourself into someone who cannot be broken. The world will not hand you strength. Life will not give you permission. People will not validate your power. You must build it. One challenge at a time, one decision at a time, one truth at a time. You don't become unbreakable overnight. You become unbreakable the moment you stop running from the parts of yourself that need to grow. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is Mindset University. See you in the next one.